Welcome to our guided meditation. I am glad you made the decision to meditate and take a step forward, healing yourself. Let's take a seat in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and place your hands on your knees, palms facing up. Exhale 3 deep breaths with an open mouth. Take a moment now to express your gratitude. What do you have a reason to be thankful for today? Take another deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Continue to breathe through your nose and become aware of your surroundings. Where do you keep your attention? Breathe in and exhale the tension in that area, allowing your body to relax and melt into stillness. For the next few breaths, keep releasing and relaxing the tension in your body. Now that your body is relaxed, focus your attention on your heart. Recognize your heartbeat. What do you truly desire? Ask your heart. Healing is the process of transforming pain into wisdom. It's a journey of acknowledging and moving through your wounds, pain, heaviness, and darkness, learning to release them while also acknowledging how they shaped you and what you gained from the experience. There is a lesson in every life experience. The more challenging the experience, the deeper the lesson, and the greater its power to change you. It's up to you whether that change is positive or negative. Now, going to the next level, you have the option of viewing your experience through bitter eyes or through the eyes of love and compassion. You have the option of remaining the victim in your story or becoming the hero. You can also choose to believe that everything happens for a reason and that your life experiences are leading you closer to where you are supposed to be and who you are supposed to become. The wound is the portal through which the light enters. What a lovely thought that what you thought was broken was actually an opportunity for light to enter. Whatever your ailment, whatever your wound is, allow that light to enter and allow that light to start healing and transforming you. Now, take deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Consider a beautiful white light shining into your heart, healing all all of the darkness within. Your heart is becoming lighter and lighter with each exhale. Expel all of that tension and heaviness in your heart. Inhale light and exhale darkness, heavy energy you have been holding up since long time. You can make loose fists with your hands and gently tap your heart and chest area if you want. Continue to exhale deeply and deeply while tapping away the tension. While you are breathing and tapping, I will share some affirmations with you. Just close your eyes and feel free to recite them aloud with me. I am not my suffering. I am not my apprehension. I have decided to forgive. I apologize to myself. It's okay to be emotional. I am in love with myself. I am powerful. I am deserving. I am affection. You can now stop tapping and return your hands to your knees. Feel the vibrations of love in your heart. Feel the natural healing that occurs when you return to love. You are love after all the heaviness has been removed. You are the light. Reconnect with your true identity. You are stunning. You are deserving. Nature is you. The power and life force that created the universe is the same power and life force that flows through you. Find a new sense of calm and ease in your life with this. You are exactly where you are supposed to be, and you are in complete harmony with the universe. Exhale 3 deep breaths with an open mouth. Remember that healing takes time, so be patient and kind to yourself. Blink your eyes, open, and take note of how much lighter you feel. Have a lovely rest of your day. I'm sending you a lot of love. Om Shanti.